Hey team, in this Fast overview video, we will be going over the Stinger Hammer Cap Tacker. Let's get into it. Simply just going to open up the wrapping like so. And out comes the tool. First impressions, you'll see the cap holder at the back, hammer at the front, and the feeder, semi-automatic feeder underneath. And you've got the belt hook on the side. All right, jumping into it. We're going to firstly load the tool. For demonstration purposes only, we'll be firing into about a 2x4. All right, we're going to start by taking the tape off of the stinger caps, like so. And we're going to press the prongs in on the side here. Magazine cap. We're going to load our staples first, simply by pushing in the pusher and pushing up, like so. Out comes the pusher. You're going to load the staples into the slide, put it on an angle, let gravity do the work, and simply by pushing the pusher back in and down. Next, we're going to load the caps by putting the caps on the cover side, going up and feeding underneath where the staples go until it gets hard. Once it gets hard, you'll hear a little click when you're pushing them through, like so. Once you hear that click, you can then go ahead, put your caps into the magazine chamber, push the two prongs, like so. And once we've done that, we're just going to use the semi-automatic trigger to load it into place. Before hammering away, I'm just going to first of all put on some PPE, being eye protection and ear protection. Now that we've done that, simply by actuating the tool, we're going to down, and then on the way back up, push the release trigger and back down. Like so. There you have it. Thanks for watching this overview of the Stinger Hammer Cap Tacker. See you next time.